Experience stunning visuals and crystal clear audio with the LG C2 OLED TV. With its ultra-thin design and self-lit pixels, this TV delivers breathtakingly realistic picture quality that will transport you into the heart of every movie, TV show, and video game. Plus, with advanced sound technology, the LG C2 provides an immersive audio experience that will elevate your entertainment to the next level.
Oh wait, this is interesting.
In this video, we'll review of this impressive TV, its HDR, and unbelievable brightness.
Let's check it out.
LG C2. Prepare yourself for a viewing experience that is in a class of its own with the LG C2 OLED TV. This incredible 4K TV beats out the competition in terms of both image quality and gaming performance, and it does it at a price that's easier on the wallet. Even though it is less expensive, the C2 nevertheless provides a great viewing experience that is sure to wow any guest that you have in your living room. The C-Series has quickly become the most popular option among LG's TVs thanks to regular sales, and the C2 represents all the business has discovered over the course of its many years of experience manufacturing OLED TVs. You can anticipate an immersive picture with blacks that are unsurpassed, contrast that is startling, and a degree of depth that will surprise you. Just like the contrast, the brightness of this TV is
Unbelievable!
but we won't tell you about it just yet.
Oh, I just can't wait.
Keep watching to learn that. CNN says, there's really little to dislike about this TV and a whole lot that will bring a smile while you're watching your favorite movies and shows and playing games. While deciding which OLED to get has become harder, you can't go wrong with the 2022 Evo C2. HDR. The LG C2 is a great TV for HDR content, with impressive brightness levels and deep blacks that help produce stunning images. In the standard mode, it can reach a brightness of 754 CD/M2 on a 10% window and 174 CD/M2 on a full field pattern. And in the filmmaker mode, it can reach 756 CD/M2 on a 10% window and 164 CD/M2 on a full field pattern. While these levels are not as bright as some LCD TVs, the combination of deep blacks and pixel-precise highlights makes OLED a great choice for HDR. The C2's color rendering is also excellent, with 99% coverage of the DCI-P3 color gamut, which allows it to fully benefit from HDR's wide color range.
I've seen plenty of people online saying that this TV needs to be calibrated to get the best out of it, and that's definitely true. Calibrating it yourself, obviously if you know how to do it properly, or getting a calibrator in will deliver a better performance, no question about it.
LG's dynamic tone mapping feature adjusts the tone mapping on the fly to get the best out of the OLED panel, and the C2 passed all our tests with great results, producing images with greater impact that still followed the peak curve. The filmmaker mode provides accurate images for HDR10 and HLG, and the cinema mode does the same for Dolby Vision.
Cool. That's cool.
LG's Cinema Home mode also offers Dolby Vision IQ with precision detail, which allows for greater contrast and detail from Dolby Vision content. LG claims to be the only manufacturer currently capable of offering this feature due to its powerful processing capabilities. Brightness. The LG C2 62-inch TV provides a vivid, bright image that is ideal for viewing in any space. The LG C2 brightness is possible because it has an IPS display with wide viewing angles and good color accuracy. Additionally, the TV has local dimming, which enhances contrast and black levels. You can watch your favorite movies and TV episodes in a range of lighting settings thanks to the TV's excellent overall picture quality and ample brightness. The LG C2 OLED TV boasts a peak brightness of 1,500 nits, which is impressive. Even in brightly lit rooms, this is more than enough to produce a pleasurable viewing experience. The TV also has a broad color spectrum, which enables it to show a variety of hues. For people who like to view more vivid and realistic content, this is
fantastic.
A number of other functions on the TV further enhance the viewing experience, like the Dolby Atmos and Motion Rate 240, which together give you a really nice experience. There's more on this coming up shortly.
Don't go anywhere.
Improvements. The LG C2 OLED TV is made to offer a pleasant and immersive viewing experience. The weight is one of the primary aspects that you'll notice has been improved upon when you do an LG C2 unboxing. LG has drastically decreased the weight of the TV by adopting composite fiber materials, which has resulted in the TV being much simpler to handle. The variant with a 65-inch screen weighs just 36.6 pounds without the stand and 40.8 pounds with the stand. When compared to the model from the previous year, which weighed 71.9 pounds with the stand and 52.9 pounds without the stand, this is a huge improvement. The weight is now much more manageable, despite the fact that you may still want assistance while putting up the bigger C2s owing to the breadth of the pieces. Additionally, the pedestal stand is lighter, thinner, and higher than other options, allowing additional space for components such as soundbars. If you're interested in staying up to date with the latest in TV technology,
hit the subscribe button, okay?
We'll keep you informed about new product releases, industry trends, and more. Turn on post notifications as well. Specs and features. The LG C2 series, which includes a television that is 62 inches in size and comes with a range of features, is a great way to upgrade the entertainment in your house. Enjoy spectacular image quality with 4K Ultra HD resolution and active HDR technology, as well as rich, vivid colors and deep blacks from every angle owing to the IPS screen. In addition, you may enjoy these features simultaneously. The Motion Rate 240 technology helps to eliminate motion blur, which results in a viewing experience that is more accurate. In addition, the television is equipped with Dolby Vision IQ, which modifies the image settings depending on the amount of light in the room, as well as Dolby Atmos, which provides an immersive audio experience. On the WebOS smart platform, you may access your preferred streaming services by speaking commands into the voice-activated Magic Remote. Connectivity is made simple with the LG C2 thanks to the inclusion of 2 HDMI connections, 2 USB ports, and an optical output for the purpose of adding additional components such as soundbars and game consoles. Price. The LG C2 is a model that falls between in the middle of the company's higher-end G2 and its more basic B2 offering. The 42-inch model may be bought for $1,679, the 48-inch model for $1,689, and the 55-inch model for $2,219. A 65-inch model can be purchased for $3,299. A 77-inch model can be purchased for a reasonable $4,828, and an 83-inch model can be purchased for a hopping $6,879. It is important to note that the 2 lower screen sizes do not get the increase in brightness that is visible on models with a screen size of 55 inches or higher. The smaller displays are unable to make use of LG's brightness booster technology, since the pixel density in proportion to the resolution of their panels is so high. This prevents the smaller screens from being able to benefit from the technology.
Oh, that is bad.
Is it worth it? If you want a large screen television with excellent visual and sound quality, the LG C2 OLED TV is unquestionably a terrific choice. Because of the 4K Ultra HD quality offered by this television, the image will be sharp, crisp, and have rich colors. Additionally, it has a built-in soundbar that offers you a high-quality audio experience. It includes a wide range of capabilities as well, including motion smoothing, HDR, and LG's WebOS platform, which enables access to streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. Finally, because it is priced lower than the majority of other 62-inch televisions available, it is a cost-effective choice. We're almost at the release of the successor to the LG C2. The LG C3 is expected to launch in a few and will come with advancements in almost every area. We have a video on this and would recommend you watch it to fully grasp where your options lie.
If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe below.